So, we're gonna solve the limit of 4 tangent 3x minus 1 as x approaches to negative 5 pi over 12. To solve it, we must change the value of x to negative 5 pi over 12. So, the result will be 4 times, open and close parenthesis, 3 times negative 5 pi over 12 minus 1. And let's multiply the 3 times 3 times negative 5 pi over 12, and the answer will be negative 5 pi over 4. So, it will be 4 times negative 5 pi over 4 minus 1. Let's evaluate the tangent negative 5 pi over 4, and the answer will be negative 1. So it will be 4 times negative 1 minus 1. And the answer will be negative 4 minus 1, and the final answer is negative 5. So the limit of 4 times 3x minus 1 as x approaches to negative 5 pi over 12, the answer will be negative 5.
Okay, that's good.